thumbing my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Oh, North Country winters keep forgetting me, and I lost my mind in playing poker, so I had to up and lay. But I ain't turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. And I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
Come with me, my love. She is a little explosion of hope. Never turns the lights down low. She can go there if you want her though. There are no markings on a country road, no sign to show the way back home. But when you get there you won't wanna go. I'd frozen over my desire, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, so paper and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deep that just breathing her. I'm melting down and I can't let go. She likes to lay under the covers, oh, pretend that everywhere's our home, keeps me warm right to my very soul. We get so tangled up it's hard to know what is hers and what's my own. Finds at the bottom of an olive bowl. I've frozen over my desire, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deep that just breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I've frozen over my desire, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deep that just breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go.
No one in this room has seen 18 months in the world like we've just had. You two have not only survived COVID, you've flourished, grown and thrived. Unbelievable. As well as producing
the best looking
a shore sailor.
happiest.
Yeah. Now, if I could put it into, if I could put it into terms, it's probably to put it into a cricket type story, John. I think you're both into bat. You've had a few nasty balls thrown down at you, but you've realised you can deal with it. There's nothing that's going to bother you, and you've got somebody at the other end who, when you shout run, isn't going to question. They'll be there to back you up.
So there I was, sat on a bar stool, waiting for her to arrive. 10 minutes late, Katie made her entrance. I was actually convinced she'd bin me off, but this lack of punctuality continued for some time throughout our early romance.
Uncle Nick, Auntie Margaret, it comes from you too.
Just as I remembered her, Katie made her entrance, blonde, tall and beautiful. So about £12 lighter for 2 drinks, we made our way to the table. A little nervous to begin with, this conversation soon began to flow, and the next 3 hours passed in what felt like 1. Needless to say, we're here now, so we must have both seen something in each other. It was only a few months later I learnt I wasn't quite the smooth operator I thought I was. Katie later informed me, number 1, you were wearing white socks with shoes. Number 2, you made no eye contact at all. Number 3, my luxurious ride of a 59 plate Toyota Aygo was spotted outside. And number 4, she told me that I had red onion breath. A harsh critic indeed. I should have taken this as a warning to Katie's high standards and attention to detail.
It comes from the mama and the dada.
And to finish off, she then informed me if a second date hadn't gone any better, she was going to not see me again. But in all seriousness,
I never said we'd never see her again.
I'm proud of the life we've built together. With all your hard work, I truly believe we try our best for each other. You're an absolutely amazing mum to Flora, who keeps us both laughing and on our toes. I feel we've come a long way in our relationship, from doing the fun stuff, such as taking a skiing holiday together, where you pretended to ski for a whole week, and all you did in reality was cry and shout at Cedric, our poor Cedric, our poor skiing instructor. He really didn't earn his money that week.
I screamed and I cried and I went to the spa.
To the harder stuff, including house renovations, business renovations, and a baby. I'm proud of the team we've become, and I really couldn't have done it without you.
One thing that unites Katie and John is the importance they place on family and community, and everyone here today is a testament to that. Katie loves nothing more than discovering connections between all the many people she knows that runs into her in life. We call this social tentacles. Katie is known and been known by lots of people in the area, thanks to her being part of the Stockdale Turner Pickles families. I've often had to introduce myself as Katie Turner's friend. When Katie and John got together, much to her annoyance, instead of being John, Katie's boyfriend, turned into Katie, John's girlfriend. It turned out that John's social tentacles spread further and wider than Katie's.
Thanks to Jeffrey. Jeffrey spread those tentacles.
So today I would mainly like to say, John, congratulations, you won. Katie's officially a Thornton now, so she's part of your tentacles.
Sorry. Okay, I've teased a lot. But all joking aside, I'd really like to say that it's a huge honour to be your best man today. I'm so proud of you both. You're an incredible team who absolutely bring the best out of one another. To see you grow together and the love and support you have for one another is really special. You have a beautiful daughter in Flora who is going to grow up with so many great people all here today who'll be looking out for her and supporting her along the way. In a world of nonsense, it is brilliant to see two such happy people. Two people who love each other and were born to be together. Thank you for looking after my best friend. You're going to be very happy together. So let's raise a glass to the new Mr. and Mrs. Thornton.
miss you half as much as I do. And I never thought I'd feel this way, the way I feel about you. As soon as I wake up, every night, every day, I know that it's you I need to take the blues away. It must be love, love, love. It must be love, love, love. Nothing more, nothing less. Love is the best. How can it be that we can say so much without words? Bless you and bless me. Bless the bees and the birds. I've got to be near you every night, every day. I couldn't be happy